Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I'm here with another little journal share. This one is 8.5 by 4.5 and it has one signature. I couldn't remember what I put in there. And we did the little book corners, and this one again is made out of that really long cardstock that I have, and this was a piece that I had left over from something else, so I just made a journal out of it. And I put this little wooden piece right here, and a little butterfly, double layered butterfly, and this beautiful postcard cover with the roses on it. And I backed, this was just some random cardstock I had in my stash, and the little book corners from Amazon, and sewed all around it. And it's got the seam binding closure, and on the inside we also covered it with some cardstock, so it's three layers of cardstock really, which kind of makes it a hard cover because it's so much cardstock. But yeah, on the inside we have a little layered tag that was inspired by Corey Durham, I think her last name is how you say it. I'm not sure. We have a little pocket tuck spot right there. It's just some little odds and ends pieces of ephemera that I had. And this is some vintage literature book page, and it's in there a little crooked, but you know, that's just the way I am. I have this vintage doily that Miss Vonnie sent me. It's actually a handkerchief, I think. I'm not sure, but it was too long, so I just ripped it and put the pretty part in here. And here I just have a little leftover paper pad, and I sewed this little fabric number on there. Just clipped it on like that. And over here, let me just take that off actually. It's just a little, I think there's like 3 or 4 pages of lined cardstock or paper right here. And underneath it is a little tuck spot right here with a little leftover coffee dyed paper tag. And I just clipped this so it wouldn't flop around. And then on this side, I just tucked that right in there like so. And over here is a little cluster and a cute little tag that I made. These are some little rub-ons that I found in my stash, and they are out of this little book right here. And I don't know where I got it actually. I just found it in my stash. So I thought I would use some. And let's get going here. Some coffee dyed paper, some old school paper, Edith Holden, and we have a little lace fabric flip up. And this, I made this book a little bit ago, so I'm trying to remember what I did. Oh yeah, underneath here is a little tag tuck spot right here and a bunch of room for journaling. And then you flip this, well, underneath here is also a little tag and a little specimen thing that I made out of Artie Mays's little freebie on her Facebook page. And I just made that little guy, tucked it in there. And then that flips down, and behind here is also a little tuck spot. So there's little tuck spots all over the place. A little doily. And out of the circles that I punched out of these, I made a bunch of them. I just did some stamping and used them as tabs throughout the book. So let's put that back in there. And yeah, use them as tabs. Here we have a little tuck spot, and this is Artie Mae's as well. One of her freebies on her Facebook page, Artie Mae's and Friends. And then in here, I just did some layering on this pocket, and inside I just tucked in some cute pieces of ephemera. Little tag. Of course, Lincoln has to say hello. Here is another one of those little, I'll do this, specimen tags that I made. These were super fun. I really, really enjoyed doing those. And then we have these two cute patoots pieces of ephemera, and then this flips open, and this flips open again. And this, I'll try to link where I got the receipts and stuff below. Here is a little tuck spot with another tag. I have to put a little topper on that one. And another little old book ledger, or some kind of chart. I don't have my glasses on or I'd read that to you, but I can't really read it right now. Here we have a little Tim Holtz, and then these two tags. And I will try, like I said, to link below where I got everything. There's another one of those tags I made with those little rub-ons. Because all of these little things I got from another Etsy shop, and I will link her below. Little cluster there. Over here is a little pocket with this beautiful postcard, and in here is a little pocket behind this. This is just some little tickets, really cute, and I put that in upside down. There we go. And this is that green, oh, I don't know what kind of paper it is. I got it at my local hardware store. I think it's painter paper, or construction paper. I don't really know what they call it, but and right here I just glued this little extra piece of paper on here, did a little cluster on the top, and it opens so you can journal inside there. And let's see, and I just put that little Tim Holtz clip thing on there. Over here is a little, I put these tabs on here, but I also made them to where you can use them as tuck spots. On this side we have this tag from Artie Mae's or Tracy Fox, I don't know which one. And then we have these three little, I don't know what they are. They're just little journaling cards. They're so cute. They have like herbs and stuff on them. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry. You know my usual have to go let the doggy in. Here's another little tag. It's super hot out today. It's like 90 something, so he always wants in and out. There's a little cluster. And now he's very hot apparently. And we have, this is a really old, it's a bird card, but it has the descriptions and stuff on the back, and it's super cool. And I just put this little fabric thing there, and a little, this is also made out of some punch outs, and I used the Stain by Patty pockets on it. Super cute. And over here is just a little canvas thing that I did some layering on, and it can be flipped up and journaled under. Another tab. Right here we have a little pocket with this little tag that I made, and it tucks under here. Behind it is also this little, I think this is, I don't remember where I got this, but I just made it into a little journaling space. And on this side is a little tuck spot with these little receipts and bird card. Super cute, super cute. And right here is another little receipt, which I have to look that up on Etsy because I don't remember where I got them, and I'm super sorry. Here we have a little tuck spot with all of these cute little remnants tucked in there, like that. I think that's Tracy Fox, I think. And then this cute little card in Tim Holtz vellum pocket. I just added some lace to this little Edith Holden page for some texture. Another little tuck spot there. Little tuck spot in there with a couple labels inside. And I just did some stamping on there. This is a little envelope that I got in some Happy Mail. And I think Trina gave me some of those too, but I also got some in a Happy Mail. And then there is a tag that I made tucked under there. And on the side we have another little tuck spot. These 3 pieces of ephemera. I just made a little tuck spot with the tag that went to that envelope. Or flap, I guess. And here we have another super cute tag. Another piece of ephemera. And then this is a little tablet, and I just stapled it and glued it from right there, so that way these can be ripped off if you want to. Use them as a little, you know, write something on it and then rip it off. And if not, you can write on it and then just tuck it right back under like that. And that is this little cutie patootie. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way through if you are still here. And please give it a like, and if you liked it, and hope you have a wonderful day. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.